So good evening students. Today we are going to continue with the topic of switching circuits. In the last class we have seen the introduction and the representation of the circuit. Today we are going to deal with the topic of the simplification of the circuit. Now, what do we mean by the simplification of the circuit? We know by that concept we know. So, simplification of circuit normally would mean the least complicated circuit with the minimum cost and best results. This would be governed by various factors like cost of equipments, positioning and number of switches, and types of materials used, etc. But for us, our topic, the simplification of circuit would mean lesser number of switches which can be achieved by applying the different properties of Boolean algebras. We shall see this by the following examples. It is, you can be given a circuit and find the function and simplify the function and again find the circuit. Or you can be given a function which has to be simplified and then you have to find the simplified circuit. So first we are going to find the function for the given circuit and then simplify the function. Finally we find the simplified circuit. So for this circuit you can define a function as we have seen in the last class. So when it is connected in series, meet operation has to be used, and when it is connected in parallel, join operation has to be used. So accordingly, we can write the function. So f is equal to a dash meet c, join a dash meet b, join a dash meet b dash meet c, join b meet c. Now, we have to simplify the function. If you look at the function except the second term, all other terms have C as common. So, we can, using the commutative property, I am bringing the second term to the first term, join of, take C common, C meet of, you have A dash, join of A meet B dash, join of B. Now here again I am going to simplify these two functions. So which can be written as A join B meet B dash join B. Okay. Now you know B dash join B value is equal to 1. So 1 meet of A join B is equal to A join B. So you have A dash meet B join of C meet A dash join A join B. Now when this is equal to A join B, here also I have the join operation, here also I have the join operation, so we can remove the bracket. So you have the value A dash join A join B. Now here again A dash join A value is equal to 1, 1 join B is equal to 1. So you have the function as C meet 1. Now what is the value of C meet 1? It is equal to C. So A dash meet B join C. So from the given function we have simplified and we have the function. So for this function now you can draw the circuit. What is this? A dash and B are connected in series and again it is connected in parallel with C. So this is the function. Now you have the second one, where you are given the function and we have to simplify the function and draw the circuit. And in this problem, we see different notations are used, which means different operations are used. Instead of meet and join, we have the operations of addition and multiplication. So we can take your meet operation to be equal to multiplication and your join operation to be equal to the addition. So wherever addition is used, you can think of that it is an operation of join, and wherever multiplication is used, you can think that it is a meet operation. So accordingly, you can apply the operations. Now here if you look at the problem, the first three term has C as common and the second three term has C dash as common. So the given function can be rewritten as of this way. C of B plus A B dash D plus D dash plus C dash of A plus A dash B plus B dash D dash. Now here again, now I am going to take these two elements and apply the meet and addition and multiplication and simplify the function. So which is equal to C of B plus A into B plus B dash into B plus D plus D dash plus C dash of, again here I have going to apply the same concept, A plus A dash into A plus B. Now you look at B plus B dash value is nothing but it is equal to 1. Addition is used for join operation. B join B dash value is 1. So B plus B dash is equal to 1. 1 into B plus A is nothing but it is equal to B plus C. So I have the following. Again here you have C dash of A plus B dash into D dash. Now here, now again I am going to multiply these two. Use the multiplication operation and addition operation. You have C of B into B, you know B, plus BD plus AB plus AD plus D dash plus C dash of, you have plus operation throughout. So you have A plus B dash D dash. Now here B plus BD is nothing but it is equal to B. What is the law is used here? Absorption law. So by using the absorption law you can write this is equal to B. Okay, and here I am going to expand these two. B plus B dash into B plus D dash. Now here again, what is the value of B plus AB? It is equal to B. Plus C dash of, this value is 1. 1 into this is nothing but B plus D dash. Now B in here also B, so you can remove the bracket. Now if you look at this 2, I am expanding, applying again the operation of addition or multiplication. And now what is the value of D plus D dash is 1. 1 into A plus D dash is A plus D dash. So B plus A plus D dash plus C dash of A plus B plus D dash. And here now you can see the A plus B plus D dash is common. So you have C plus C dash into A plus B plus D dash. And again C plus C dash value is 1. So your F is equal to A plus B plus D dash. So see what is the function is given and we have simplified and we have got it is equal to A plus B plus D dash. So your circuit is this. Again you can look at the third problem where you have given the function and again you can rewrite the given function because A is common in all the term. And so A meet of, you have taking A common, you have the other remaining terms. Now A meet of, if you look at the first term and the third term, you have D dash common. So I am taking D dash common, C dash, join of B dash meet to D, where it is equal to A meet of D dash, join of B dash meet to D. And here if I expand this again, D dash join B dash, meet of D dash join D, which is nothing but value is equal to 1. 1 meet of D dash join B dash is D dash join B dash. So I have the value A, F is equal to A meet of D dash join B dash. Sorry, you have to put the bracket here. Now you have the following assignment problems. So simplify the circuit is here and you have the assignment problem. 2 problems are given. You can try and if you have any doubt you can clarify. The next class we shall see about the design of the circuit. Thank you.